Hey folks, Gary Williams here, General Manager, Doggett Toyota, coming to you live from our TRD Pro Shop. Today we're going to be going over something special we had come in today. Okay, what we have here, I'm very excited. It took me about 4 months to get this. I've got 3 coming, all of them a little different, but we're going to talk about this one today. This is a 2026 4th generation Tacoma, model number 7545. That's a 6-speed manual transmission Tacoma. Up until 2025, these were the N400 series, but they dropped the N series annotation for 2026. Let me show you how we ordered it. All right, so here we go right here. This is a 2026 Tacoma TRD Off-Road in Mudbath, model 7545 04Z2 is the Mudbath color code. First and foremost, we have a 6-speed manual transmission with clutch start cancellation. It also has the electronically controlled locking rear differential, the tow package, and we also ordered it with the front stabilizer disconnect mechanism. Additionally, it's got the heated front seats and the multimedia package with a 14.1 upgraded screen. Additionally, we got it with the TRD lift, which is a 325 lift kit from Toyota. It's a TRD lift kit. Okay, to complement the TRD off-road package and the TRD lift, we did get this with the TRD skid plate, and we did order it with the front and rear red ARB recovery hooks. Moving around, you have your TRD lift and your TRD rims with your TRD inset on the rims. We went with a blackout package, except for one thing. I'll talk about that in a minute. But the fender flares, most of the rim, all the badging, everything's been blacked out to complement that Mudbath thing. Right down to the rock rails and the handles. Again, the rock rails are not step bars. If you're in the know, well, then you know. All right, well, I said mostly blacked out. The exception is they did leave the outer edge of the rim in this metal finish, and that picks up very nicely and plays off of the TRD off-road badging on the bed. Speaking of the bed, you do have your scene lighting factory installed, which makes it real nice at camp. You can see all the way around. And as you wrap around the back, you can see you do have your rear red ARB recovery hooks. And if anybody's wondering, this is a point for a high lift jack for anybody who needs that for off-road recovery. On the inside of the bed, you do have your rear and side molly panels for attaching whatever you might need, axe, shovel, tow straps, whatever. And then in with that black package, we do have the black pearlized exhaust tip. And again, the most important thing is that 6-speed manual transmission with clutch start, electronic locking differential, and stabilizer disconnect. Another small but unseen, and that's by design option we ordered, is a protection pack, which gives you the 3M clear vinyl here so the rings and stuff aren't scratching up your paint. It's also along the door edge guard right here. It's on your mirror caps, so bugs and stuff like that don't eat up your paint. And it's on the front leading edge of the hood. So again, this is available for immediate sale. We do have 3 total. This is the first one that came in. I have 2 more, one in Mudbath, one's in bronze oxide, a little different each of them, but all the same features as far as the mechanical performance. And it's available at Doggett Toyota Beaumont. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.